Hi everyone and welcome back to the CADReader tutorial series. In lesson 29, we'll show you how to use the extract text feature in CADReader. Let's get started. First, open a drawing in CADReader. Here you can see a larger block of text inside the drawing. To extract the text, simply click on the text object or right-click to choose Extract Text. Next, use the drag and drop selection tool to highlight the text you want to extract. When selected, CADReader will display the extraction results instantly. You can also edit the extracted text directly in the panel, then copy and paste it into other software such as Word, Excel, or Notepad. One important tip: make sure you select the entire paragraph or complete sentence during the extraction process. Avoid selecting only part of the text, as it may affect the extraction result. You can also assign a shortcut key for the extract text function. For example, here I'll set the shortcut key to the letter E. Now, whenever you press E on your keyboard, the extract text tool will activate automatically. Alright, that's all for this lesson. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.